7 Mountains TV.
Of course, the flames are back too. Burning homes, forcing thousands of residents in this affluent LA suburb to get out again. A dance they know all too well.
We have seen that before, so nothing new to us for the last 32 years that I've been here. We have everything in the car, you know, the silverware, the money, the passport, and everything ready to go.
But leaving easier said than done. Residents forced to abandon their cars and flee on foot.
Can I just leave my car right there?
Where's your car?
The cop saying you have to leave, and I leave my car right there because
So, what happened?
there's a lot of fire right there.
Some evacuees separated from loved ones as they rush to get out.
The evacuating is really very difficult, and 3 miles up the hill they didn't know if they get stuck in traffic or not. So here we are separated, but we're in communication by phone.
Even the president unable to take off. Air Force One grounded in LA by the fires. The flames here driven by winds topping 160 kilometers per hour, a gale strong enough to blow over a semi. And those winds aren't expected to stop blowing anytime soon.
This is like right at my doorstep. So, guys, I love you, but pray.
Yeah.
I'm praying, but God doesn't stop this wind.
Well, firefighting in this part of the world seemingly never ending these days. There were more than 8,000 wildfires in California in 2024. This fire, the first significant one of 2025, won't be the last. Aaron Collins, CBC News, Calgary.